heavyweight e-commerce platforms face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Shopify, the powerful all-in-one store builder. And on the right, Ecwid, your shortcut to adding commerce to any website fast and free. Let's skip the marketing fluff and get to the features that actually matter. Every category earns points, so by the end you'll know exactly who takes the crown. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Alright, here's the map of what we're comparing today. Price? Yeah, because budgets matter, store build and scalability, integrations and ecosystem, how they handle products, automation features, overall ease of use, and super important, the support you get when things go sideways. All the essentials right. So first up, price. Shopify. Okay, it isn't exactly cheap, but you do get all those robust features bundled in. There's a 14-day free trial, which is nice for just poking around, but no permanent free tier. Plus, if you skip using Shopify payments, you're gonna see some transaction fees. Ecwid, on the other hand, that's where things get interesting. Ecwid's got this pretty awesome free plan, and their paid options are a lot friendlier on your wallet. Also, zero transaction fees. I know, seriously. The catch? If you want those juicy advanced features, you'll need to pay for higher tiers, but overall, Ecwid wins price hands down. Now, for actually building and scaling your store, Shopify is kinda built for those big ambitions. You can have unlimited products. There's this massive app marketplace. It's great if you wanna go all out. The flip side, setup can feel overwhelming if you're new. Ecwid's approach is more like, just add commerce quick, with their instant site builder, which is so simple, but their standalone store options are more limited. And unless you spring for unlimited, there's a product cap looming. Shopify snags the win for scale here. Alright, integrations time. Shopify's got options for days. Like seriously, over 8,000 apps, advanced multi-channel tools, epic point-of-sale integration. The works. Some add-ons aren't free though, fair warning. Ecwid's cool because honestly you can embed it practically anywhere. WordPress, Wix, your wild cousin's HTML site, you name it. There's a POS option through apps, but the official app list is way shorter, around 300, and for blogging you need an external CMS. So Shopify comes out ahead in integrations. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Shopify is powering over 4 million stores worldwide as we speak, and Ecwid, that's a solid 1 million sites running its tech. Yeah, serious numbers. Next stop, product handling. Shopify lets you list as many products as you want with lots of payment gateways, abandoned cart recovery, and plenty of product types. Downside, they cap variants per product at 3 unless you get fancy, and digital uploads are limited to 5 GB. Ecwid's quirk, actually no cap on product options like color, size, go nuts. Digital uploads up to 25 GB, and it's way simpler to capture custom data. The hitch, global product cap if you're not on unlimited, 2,500 total. Ecwid nails product flexibility here, so they take this round. Now let's talk features and automation. Shopify, wow, AI tools like Shopify Magic and Sidekick, advanced SEO, crazy powerful analytics. If you geek out on data, this is your jam. Sometimes you're lured into third-party apps for more, which, yeah, can be a pain. Ecwid's angle is social selling made easy, and basic automations are totally there, but no AI magic in sight. Shopify crushes it in features and automation. Ease of use, always a make or break thing. Shopify's admin is super modern. There's a guided setup, but not gonna lie, it can feel pretty overwhelming for someone brand new. Ecwid is ridiculously straightforward, like just drop a store into your site. The interface is simple, though tweaking deeper stuff is more limited. Both have their moments, so honestly, this one's a tie. Finally, support. Shopify, you get 24/7 help, tons of channels, and massive help docs. But like top-tier support is best for bigger plans. Ecwid gives live chat, email, phone support on paid plans, and some extra help in the EU. Free plan, not so much. Shopify wins for overall support. If you're a data nerd, here's the breakdown. Shopify maxes out on store scale, integrations, automation, and support. Ecwid wins with price and product flexibility. The radar chart shows how your priorities might swing the decision, so keep your must-haves in mind. So here's my honest take. If you want to go big, build everything from scratch, and have room to grow, Shopify's got the mojo. But if your budget is the main deal and you just want to add commerce to a site you already love, Ecwid's flexibility is kinda unbeatable. So, which one works for your big idea? Get out there and start building your store in 2025. Oh, and follow the channel for all the e-commerce tips you never knew you needed.